First trade to start the month of April on the 6K account. We lost about $66, and I'm going to dive into it. It was a long on the Russel 2000. Nothing crazy here. Nothing, massive. Obviously, it's just $6. It's like, who cares? But it was on a 6K account, so obviously that puts the account further into drawdown. As shit's just been super choppy as of late, and this is just, again, same thing. Chart was pretty good. I would take the same trade again. Nothing against that. Really nothing to say there, but there it is. We got in this trade back on Wednesday, the 27th, and then I exited on Tuesday. Just the stop loss hit. So yeah, the executions are over here. I know it's small, but they're right there. So confirming it with the 1-of-1 account, it's at 5638. The trade history, we lost $66, and I'm currently in a new trade, but that'll be a recap whenever we exit that new trade. So that's the deal there, and let's dive back into TradeZella. I'll go back to the dashboard, and you can see so far the month, it's the only trade of the month. It's the second of the month, but again, just not loving the looks, and also we're not trading on the $26,000 account that we have. We are waiting. We actually got some good signs. We should be getting it back this week. All good, ready to go, no problems, I hope. But let's jump into the Russell. So I'm going to just go to look at IWM so you can it's just easier to see it. But it was technically on futures, so this stopped me out in pre-market on Tuesday the 2nd. The trade was on the 4-hour time frame. It was a break up over this high right here. So we had a nice little push up, a nice pullback consolidation on the top half of that move. Fairly strong, not super strong, but it was fairly strong. And so a break of that on decent volume, better than the past couple of days, right? I was like, let's go for it. So we took the trade, and it also happened to be a new high, or shortly after that, happened to be a new high of the year on the Russell. And what do we get? After that broke, we got essentially the exact same thing we've been getting for the past month, and that has been push up, pull back, maybe make a higher low, and like, who knows if it's going to be a higher low. I'm just saying that as of now, but obviously we are in an uptrend, so it's going to take some unraveling for this to really truly, show us, okay, now we're breaking down, right? No way to know right now. It'll be definitely a hindsight thing, obviously, but that's been the trend, right? It's been push up a little bit, pull back, push up a little bit, make a new high, pull back. Nothing crazy, nothing insane, no high momentum. Thought that would potentially be changing, and it has yet to do so. And so that's really the deal. Nothing, that's it. Nothing, super complex, super crazy about the trade. Again, like I said, would take a trade again, just trade in the same way that I have. Obviously, the volume has come down. I'm looking for high-quality setups, and I thought this was a high-quality setup. Was it perfect? No, but what is perfect? Nothing is perfect unless you want to take one trade a year. So I was going to just keep playing the same trades I've been taking over the past 12 months, and that's the deal. So that's what we took. So there you guys have it. That's the update. That is the Russell trade recap. I think I said it in a recent live stream or video. The sizing will start to go up once we get the 25K account back. And we start getting opportunities, some more opportunities. The sizing will be going up. Nothing massive, but it will start to go up. And my goal by the end of this year is to be playing with sizes where per trade, let's say I'll go by average win-loss. If you were to go by average win-loss for year to date, average winner 191, average loser 88. I want that. In a perfect world, I would like to see the average winner being closer to 500 or even more than 500 by the second half and like the last quarter of the year. And then the losers would follow suit, right? So that would probably put it somewhere in like the 250-ish range in a perfect world if you hold a 2-to-1 risk reward. So that's probably where we're headed. But again, no rush to get there. We're kind of in this like holding pattern as of right now. But there you guys have it. That's the update. That's the trade recap. And I'll see you in the next one. This is TradeZella. I'll leave TradeZella linked below like always. And there's a discount code TC10 for 10% off. If you sign up for them, use it. Don't waste 10%, please. Peace.